Imagine this, while everyone is begging for views on TikTok and YouTube, some random guy with no audience is quietly making tens of thousands of dollars every month. From a plain white website that just says, paste your link, click download, no personal brand, no posting daily. Just a boring little tool plus Google Ads. In this video, I'll show you 2 real examples of these sites, how much they likely make, and how you can build something similar with AI even if you can't code. Today you'll learn 2 real boring websites making serious money, a simple breakdown of what they might turn from ad show to build a similar tool website using AI. No coding and a strategy to get traffic, so it actually makes money. First up, a TikTok downloader site called Stick.io. It's basically one page where you paste the TikTok link, click download, and around that, they show ads. Traffic estimates show this site gets around 90100 million visits per month. On average, people click on almost 2 pages each time, so we're talking roughly 180,190 million page views every single month. Now, how does that translate into money? Most monetized sites earn somewhere from about $1 to $10 per 1,000 page views depending on country and niche. For a global tool like this, let's stay very conservative and assume around $0.5 to $2 per 1,000 page views, with around 180 million page views a month on the low end. That's roughly $90,000 plus per month, and the higher end of that conservative range. It could be well over $300,000 per month even if all our numbers are off and we slash that in half again. You're still easily in the 5-figure per month range from a simple tool with a text box and a button. Second example, an Instagram downloader, Snapinsta 2, same concept. Paste an Instagram link, click download, the ads around the tool. This site gets around 40 million visits per month, with a bit over 2 pages per visit, so roughly 90 million page views per month, using that same conservative ad range at the low end. That's around 40-50K per month at a bit higher RPM. It can easily cross $150,000 plus per month again. Exact numbers will vary. But the point is clear. Boring tools plus massive traffic plus simple ads equals serious passive income. Let's talk about how you can copy the model ethically and legally. You can now build this kind of site using AI website builders. Examples: convert your own videos to MP3, compress videos so they're small enough to send-resize images for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails. Step 2, use an AI website builder tools like AI-powered builders, for example, Durable, Alweb, or AI-assisted WordPress builders let you type a description and generate a site. You might say, create a simple site called Quick Convert Tools. It should let users upload a video or audio file and convert it to MP3. I need a big headline, a short description, an upload section, a FAQ, and a call to action button. The AI generates the layout, writes basic copy, makes it mobile friendly. You either use a plugin that already handles conversions, or an external service or API and get a freelancer to connect it if needed. You're not coding from scratch, you're gluing existing pieces together. Tools without traffic don't make money. Here's the fast-track plan. SEO basics: make 1 page per specific keyword, like MP4 to MP3 converter, online compress video for WhatsApp, put that keyword in the title, main heading, description, and FAQ. Short-form content: use TikTok Reels and Shorts to send people to your site. Your challenge after this video: pick one tiny problem to solve. Use an AI website builder to launch a first version this week. Make 1 short video showing your tool in action. Share it in 3 places: a directory, a community, and your socials. If you do build a tool, drop the link in the comments. I'd love to check some of them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.